Stoicism, as we all know already, has provided invaluable insights into leading a virtuous and content life. One aspect of Stoicism involves practicing restraint in speech and maintaining a certain level of secrecy about one's thoughts and emotions. This video explores 5 principles derived from Stoic philosophy that suggest things one should not reveal to others, emphasizing the importance of self-discipline, resilience, and inner strength in the face of life's challenges. So watch till the end to see all of them. And before we start, make sure you subscribe to our channel to learn more about this ancient wisdom called Stoicism. 1. Future plans and aspirations. According to Stoic philosophy, revealing one's future plans and aspirations can be counterproductive. The Stoics believed in the power of focusing on the present moment and adapting to the unpredictable nature of life. Disclosing future goals may invite unnecessary opinions, expectations, and potential distractions. Furthermore, the Stoics argued that true fulfillment comes from aligning oneself with virtue rather than external achievements. By keeping future plans private, individuals can maintain their focus on the present, fostering a sense of tranquility and resilience. 2. Personal struggles and suffering. Stoicism encourages individuals to endure personal struggles with dignity and silence. While seeking support from close friends or family is not discouraged, openly discussing every hardship can be detrimental. The Stoics believed in accepting adversity as an inevitable part of life and developing resilience in the face of challenges. By maintaining a degree of silence about personal struggles, individuals can preserve their dignity, avoid unnecessary pity, and cultivate the strength to endure difficulties with grace. 3. Innermost thoughts and emotions. Stoicism places great emphasis on controlling one's emotions and maintaining inner tranquility. Revealing every innermost thought and emotion to others can lead to vulnerability and potential exploitation. Instead, Stoics advocate for introspection, self-reflection, and emotional self-regulation. By keeping certain thoughts and emotions private, individuals can avoid external judgments and maintain a sense of autonomy over their inner world. This practice aligns with the Stoic goal of achieving inner peace regardless of external circumstances. 4. Good deeds and acts of virtue. Stoicism teaches that true virtue lies in performing good deeds for their own sake, without seeking recognition or validation from others. Broadcasting acts of kindness or virtue may undermine the purity of the action, as it introduces an element of self-interest. The Stoics believed in the intrinsic value of virtuous acts and the internal satisfaction that arises from living in accordance with one's principles. By keeping such deeds private, individuals can experience the true essence of virtue without diluting its impact with external validation. 5. Material possessions and wealth. Stoicism advises against placing excessive importance on material possessions and wealth. Openly discussing one's financial status or possessions may lead to envy, resentment, or misplaced judgments. The Stoics believed in cultivating an attitude of indifference towards external circumstances and possessions. By keeping material wealth private, individuals can avoid the pitfalls of seeking validation through external markers of success. Instead, they can focus on internal virtues and the pursuit of a meaningful and fulfilling life. So to sum up this video, Stoicism offers valuable insights into leading a purposeful and virtuous life, emphasizing the importance of self-discipline, resilience, and inner strength. The 5 principles discussed, keeping future plans, personal struggles, innermost thoughts, acts of virtue, and material possessions private, encourage individuals to cultivate a sense of autonomy, dignity, and tranquility. While some may argue that openness and transparency are crucial in building trust and connections, Stoicism suggests that selective silence can lead to a more authentic and fulfilling existence. By adopting these Stoic principles, individuals may find themselves better equipped to navigate life's challenges with grace and wisdom. To embrace the power of the Stoicism, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos.